All right guys, in the last video of our IS300, we got this thing painted almost completely. As you can see, we're missing a few components on the front of this thing, but overall, it is a good looking freaking car. We got the taillights in it, we got the back thing, we have the wind me, because if you guys you didn't know, she's the giveaway car. It's got a turbo on it right now. It's getting ready to get some big upgrades with an Artec turbo manifold, a different exhaust housing, some bigger injectors, and a built engine that's sitting right over there. But as you can tell, we're missing some things on the front end of this. Sean is he's in a good mood today because he's doing probably one of his favorite things, which is wet sanding bodywork. So pretty much the final things that we need to paint on this thing is the front and the rear bumper, as well as front lip, rear lip, and side skirts. So we just gotta wet sand these things, and then I need to get straight to the booth. Sean needs to finish building that engine, and this hood, we're gonna put that fella on. But I can guarantee you guys, by the end of this video, this car is gonna be fully assembled, looking just beautiful, and we're probably gonna drive it around and make some boost just on the stock engine for now, and then we're gonna go ahead and move along to the rest of it. Sean, tell me what you like about wet sanding. What's the most fun?
None of it. I can't.
No, you have to say some good things. Give me some good stuff.
The best thing about wet sanding is when it's done.
Yeah,
when it's done.
I like that.
That's the best part of it, is when you're done doing it.
I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put my big boy gloves on, and I'm gonna help Sean wet sand this stuff, because I gotta get in the booth. We gotta get this thing painted, because this giveaway ends in freaking like 10 days. 5 days probably by the time you guys are watching this, so we gotta get to work. Hello. Hey, welcome back. Hello. Back to the show. All right, this is crazy. Look at that humidity. We're negative humidity, and we're 85, almost freaking 90 degrees. And it is March 19th right now, which is absolutely crazy. Everything's in the booth. We got our wax and grease. We got this fella masked off right there. I hit it with some trim black, so it's nice and black underneath there. We got these fellas all ready to go. It's time to load up some paint and paint some stuff. So, oh, also check this out. I put a nice little shelf over here, because normally I couldn't see, like when you're trying to fill up these cups at night, you can't see in them. You can't see like where it's at. So I got a light right there. We got a little cup station. You know, we're just coming up in the world, boys. Coming up in the world. Things looking good. Laid out real nice. Looks super clean, super smooth. All that stuff looks good. I went ahead and I unmasked this and clear coated it. I did a little bit of trim black on it before I masked it up. Yeah, look at that, everything. Yeah, beautiful. So, yeah, pretty stoked on that. Now all we have to do is wait for it to dry, stick it on the car. So the IS300 is looking pretty good now that we got a lot of things assembled on it. We got the headlights fully polished and stuck on there. We have the front bumper with the new like a JDM style grille. We got the corner lights, well, fog lights in there, corner lights. I polished them both up so they all look really nice. We got the mirrors, the trim, the door handles. Sean cleaned up the windows a little bit. We have the whole rear end all assembled. Tail lights, middle pieces, rear bumper, exhaust is on it already. So it's actually looking pretty good. Moving on, we have these wheels. So you can see those are OEM wheels. They got some curb rash. They're just doing some weird stuff, which means we have to fix that with these wheels right here. So these are some circuit performance wheels, and they look really good. We have some Tire Streets, the Accelera, the 651 Sports, which I run these on the drift car, and they're actually a pretty good street tire for stuff that makes a little bit of power. 200 tread wear, as well as a set of BC Racing BR coilovers. So we actually sold a suspension setup the other day on eBay, so we had to use the box for the coilovers to ship all that stuff out. So if you guys haven't checked out our eBay store, it's Motion Auto Performance on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. We've been selling, I don't know, probably 50 or so items a month, which has been pretty decent. It's definitely kind of helped with like another income stream. We're gonna go ahead and get these wheels and tires mounted and stick it on the car, because I'm excited to see how it's gonna look with the wheels that are supposed to be on it. We haven't mounted the lips on it yet. I'm trying to decide if I want to do that before or after I do some dyno stuff, because if we do before, then we have to, you know, the front end might be a little bit lower. Also, it's already on a set of like Megan Racing lowering springs. So putting the coilovers on it won't really change a whole lot, but since it is pretty much the last couple days of our like 100 times entries sort of deal, I need to hurry up because I need to film some ads for this thing, because this giveaway ends like right now. I'm filming this, it's the 21st. 100 times entries ends on the 22nd. So if you guys are watching this video, I guess that's today. I recommend getting entered right now, probably, because tomorrow it drops to 50 times entries and then it ends at the end of the month, which is March 31st 2026. So I should have extended this one out, did a 2-month giveaway, but I think when we initially started it, we were doing the body work so fast, I was like, oh, we're gonna cruise right through this. And then you know, obviously things happen, the slippery slope happens, you want to make it nicer, it was worse than you thought, and it just takes more time. So we're gonna roll these over and get these mounted. Torquey time on the wheels. So we got a nice wheel reveal now. Got the coilovers on and we got it adjusted. So that's it. Now, what else do we got to do?
Bumper.
We got to figure out how to get that bumper to fit around the intercooler pipe. I feel like if we maybe shorten this a little bit, move this clamp, do some fancy stuff, we might be able to get it to tuck a little bit more. Because right now, it's just right in the way. It's fully in the way. There she is, boys, the final product. Got the fresh wheels, the tires, the BC Racing Coilovers. We adjusted a little bit. We haven't had a chance to put on the front lip, the side skirts, or the rear lip. Overall, it does look really good. I even think if we didn't do lips on it, it just looks good. It just looks like a nice sleeper sedan. The paint job turned out so good. So I'm really stoked on it. So, as you guys are watching this video, we're down to there's only a couple hours left. So Sunday, March 22nd, 2026 is the last day of 100 times entry multiplier. And after that, it's just gonna go down. So for the final week, we are going to be running some paid ads. So I just wanted you guys, for the first 3 weeks, essentially, of this giveaway, to have the best odds and the best chance to win one of our cars. This is a really, really rad car. We are getting ready to put it on the dyno probably on Monday. Hopefully see how much power that thing makes. We have a built engine sitting on the stand right there that Sean got done this week. I'm really excited about this thing. I think it's a really, really rad car. It's about as close to a Supra as you could get on the street. I mean, we got a 2JZ, We got a big turbo on it. We got a manual transmission. But the coolest thing is it's a 4-door, so if you have a family, friends, whatever, you can throw them in the back and cruise around, especially with the black interior on this thing and the fact that it's just a factory manual chassis. It's pretty rare overall. And then all of the parts that we got on it, we got the new tail lights, we got the fresh paint job. We got rid of that carbon fiber stuff and went with the OEM hood and trunk. So I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know what you guys think about it so far. I think it's pretty crazy. We have less than 500 orders for this giveaway so far. So hopefully, you know, this final week, you know, I wish we could just do the giveaways without having to run paid ads. It seems like that's kind of what we got to do. Really appreciate the support so far. Get entered for a chance to win this really freaking rad car. And good luck. See you guys later.